Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Salam.
What is your name?
Hasnain.
Hasnain, how many languages can you speak?
I can only speak two languages,
Can you name them?
Urdu and English. Urdu is my mother tongue language.
Okay. So, can you tell us some basic words in Urdu?
Basic words in Urdu, क्या कर रही हो, क्या नाम है, इस तरह ही है. या अगर हम तुम्हारा क्या नाम है इसको पूछना चाहें थोड़ी सी मुश्किल उर्दू में, तो हम कह सकते हैं तुम्हारा इसमें ग्रामी क्या है. ये मतलब आम लोगों को इस तरह नहीं समझ आएगा, लेकिन आ सकता है वैसे जो भी उर्दू सीख रहा है या पढ़ रहा है तो कर सकता है.
So you are saying there are two dialects in Urdu, or maybe old Urdu and new Urdu, modern Urdu?
Yes, Urdu is, you can say, little bit changed, and nowadays people are speaking like easy words and mixing it with the English, so it's like some sort of changed.
Okay, and it's really great to know that you know old Urdu as well. So can you tell us some famous Urdu slangs, or maybe a famous meme nowadays?
I don't know that old Urdu. I just told you one phrase that I knew. So if I think on old phrase, then
No, not old. I'm just saying like maybe some famous meme nowadays or famous Urdu slangs.
do slangs, muhavre. Yeah, I get it. I don't know much about the slangs, but I can do poetry that I wrote.
You wrote. Okay, sure. Go ahead.
Yes. So it's like दिल से उतर के तू जा बैठी बाज़ार में, पर जान ले सकूँ नहीं उस भीड़ भरी बाज़ार में. दिल से उतर गई अब तू है फरामोश, जो था कभी अपना अब लगता है खामोश. वक्त ज़ाया किया मैंने तेरे ख्वाबों के साथ, लेकिन अब बस तू जा अपनी राहों के साथ. ज़ख़म जो दिए उनका कोई हिसाब नहीं, तू थी जो कल आज तेरी कोई बात नहीं. So
That's amazing. You wrote that all by yourself. So you must be interested in Urdu poetry, yeah?
yes.
Okay. Have you written more poetries as well?
Yes, I have written more poetries.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Salam.
What is your name?
Hassan Raza.
Hassan, how many languages can you speak?
I can speak English, Urdu, and Hindko.
Okay, 3 languages. So how do you learn so many languages?
Urdu is our national language, and I can speak English because I go to call center, and Hindko is our mother tongue.
Okay, Hindko is your mother tongue. So can you say some words in Hindko? Some basic words? Like maybe what do you say? How do you say how are you in Hindko?
Kala.
Kya hal hai? Okay, and what about my name is Hassan?
Marana Hassana.
Okay, great. Which language do you think is the most difficult to learn, or that you tried learning once?
I can say that Spanish. Oh, yeah.
Have you ever tried learning Spanish?
Yeah, I tried it.
So do you know some words?
Yeah. It's about अगर हमने बताना हो कि हमारा नाम मेरा नाम हसन है, तो वो इस तरह बोलते हैं मी नोमरे हसन, इस तरह.
That's amazing. Mi nombre. Okay. And which language would you like to learn next?
Spanish, French.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Salam.
What is your name?
My name is Mohammed Saklan.
Saklain, how many languages can you speak?
I think I can speak four languages.
4 languages. Can you name the languages you can speak?
I can speak Urdu, English, Pashto, and Punjabi.
Amazing. So how did you learn so many languages? Which one is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is basically Urdu, and I spent a lot of time in KPK, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, as my father was in army. So I learned Pashto there, and my mother and my father, they both belongs to a Punjabi family. So my grandfather's language is like Punjabi. So it is that.
Okay, great. Can you tell us some basic words in Punjabi or any famous Punjabi slangs?
Punjabi slangs is it can be anything, right? It can be anything. So Punjabi slang is ulu da patha, and then ulu da patha. And
What does that mean actually?
in English we can say it like a son of owl. You know owl? And that's why we say Ulu da Patha.
When is the need to use this slang? When do you use this?
When someone teases you, when someone teases you, your friend teases you, just like that. चल जा यहाँ से, चल जा तो उल्लू दिया पठिया, like that.
Okay, great. So, what about some more?
Some more? Some more is like when you want to eat something. यार आज ते बड़ी भूख लगी है यार, आज ते खाना ही खाना है, कुछ ते खाना ही खाना है. So it is like.
You say this when you want to eat something. Okay, and can you tell us some basic Pashto words? Like
Words like when you ask someone where are you going, like chartaze, like a chartaze, man where are you going?
Chartave if you want. Chartaze if you want to ask where are you going.
Where are you going?
Okay.
And if you want to ask someone how are you, so ye sanga chal de, like a sanga chal de.
Sanga chalde. Okay, great, amazing. And do you know some basic Urdu slangs or phrases that you call muhavre?
Mahavre, yes. I think yes, there are many Urdu muhavres like अब क्या पछतावा जब चिड़िया चुगी खेत, like this is a muhavra.
Okay, what does that mean?
It means like when in Urdu we can say जब कोई मसला किसी से हो गया हो ना और उसको तब याद आया हो, तो then we can say अब क्या फ़ायदा जब चिड़िया चुगी खेत. Like what can you do now?
Okay,
It
okay.
is done.
Assalamu
Walaikum salam.
alaikum. What is your name?
My name is Talal.
Talal, how many languages can you speak?
2, 3.
Can you name them?
Punjabi, Urdu and English.
Okay, great. So, which one is your mother tongue?
Punjabi.
Okay. Can you tell us some basic words in Punjabi? Maybe some famous Punjabi slangs?
किधर चले हैं? And क्या करना है? What are you doing?
के करने
क्या करना है?
Okay.
It's like Pahadi. It's Pahadi language.
It's similar to Pahari language.
It is Pahadi language.
So, can you tell us some famous Urdu slangs?
Urdu slangs, I don't have them in mind.
You don't remember right now? It's okay. And what do you think is the most difficult language to learn?
I think Arabic, because I've only tried to learn Arabic.
Do you know some words in Arabic?
Somewhat, yes, like Ma represents water, like this.
Okay. And which language do you want to learn next?
Arabic,
Arabic.
yes.
Assalamu
Walaikum assalam.
alaikum. What is your name?
Muhammad Hamad.
Okay, Hamal. Can you tell us how many languages can you speak?
Urdu, Punjabi, little bit of English, and I can understand Pashto, but I cannot speak it very fluently.
Okay, great. So, how did you learn so many languages?
My mother was Pashtun, so I learned it from my mother, and my dad is Punjabi, so I learned it from there. And English, I was living in Bahrain for 3 years, so I learned it from there, and I can understand little bit of Arabic also.
Okay, so you have lived in Bahrain. What language is spoken there?
Arabic.
Arabic.
Yes.
So you might know some basic words in Arabic.
Yes, I know very little. It's been a long time. I was there from 2013 to 2016.
Okay, can you tell us some words that you learn over there?
I know very basic ones like marhaba, kaif al hal, like these. Not that much. थोड़े बहुत आते हैं.
Okay, and you said Punjabi, yeah? Can you tell us some famous Punjabi slangs that you guys use with each other, or maybe parents say to their children?
I know one from a drama I used to watch when I was a kid. It's not Punjabi, it's Potwari, and the saying goes, it's like "Bar tala lagya si te andru ko se pani satya." So yeah.
Okay, can you tell us what that means?
It means कि बाहर ताला लगा हुआ था घर के and अंदर से किसी ने पानी फेंका था.
And when do you use this on like what scenario?
I don't use it. It's just a childhood memory जो मुझे एक याद है.
Okay. And what about Urdu slangs? Do you know some famous Urdu slangs? Maybe what you call phrases or some basic Urdu words that are like that you all use with your friends? Like basically a meme. What is a famous meme nowadays?
एक वर्ड है जो आए उसको कहते हैं, लाइक उसको यूज़ करते हैं जब आपको कुछ समझ ना आ रहा हो तो आप
Can you tell us that again? What do you use?
आए.
Okay, I guess I've heard that. That like that. Okay.
It's also a meme. So you
Okay, great. Thank you so much for your time.